day viewers, and welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Show. This is Shanchari Banerjee from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. Today's special news reel is sponsored by Mumbai-based Manorama Trading Corporation, a wholesaler and trader of the finest quality two-way radio, wireless microphones, etc. In the main news, crude oil prices on Thursday declined, while WTI traded at $49.03, down 56 cents per barrel. Brent finished at $52.01, down 35 cents per barrel. Despite weaker upstream crude values, open spec naphtha prices on Thursday were assessed higher by $6 per metric tons to the $468 per metric tons CFR Far East Asia levels. Asian ethylene prices continued to march higher for the third successive day on Thursday. Propylene prices remained steady in Asia. Ethylene prices were at the $1,005 per metric tons CFR Southeast Asia levels, a spike of $30 per metric tons from Wednesday. Prices were at the $1,075 per metric tons CFR Northeast Asia levels, a day-on-day increase of $20 per metric tons. Reports of persistent tight product avails in the region and firmer downstream PE demand and pricing trends together supported the price rise in the region. Propylene prices were assessed at the $875 per metric tons CFR China levels and $860 per metric tons FOB Korea levels, both unchanged from Wednesday. Benzene prices gained while SM prices edged lower in Asia on Thursday. Benzene prices were assessed at the $735 per metric tons FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day rise of $10 per metric tons. The price rise was in anticipation of tight regional product availability in the region. SM prices were at the $1,095 per metric tons FOB Korea levels and $1,120 per metric tons CFR China levels, both down $10 per metric tons from Wednesday's assessed levels. Reports of persistent dull buying sentiments in key markets like China supported the price fall. In Asia, EDC prices dropped while VCM prices marched higher this week. EDC prices were at the $210 per metric tons CFR Far East Asia levels, a week-on-week fall of $10 per metric tons. Prices were at the $230 per metric tons CFR Southeast Asia levels, down $5 per metric tons from the previous week. Reports of ample product availability pulled prices lower across the Asian region. VCM prices were assessed at the $640 per metric tons CFR Far East Asia levels, a sharp week-on-week gain of $35 per metric tons. Prices were at the $690 per metric tons CFR Southeast Asia levels, a rise of $20 per metric tons on the week. The sharp price rise was supported by strong buying interest witnessed in the region. In the European markets this week, HDPE, LDPE, LLDPE and PVC spot and contract prices remained steady. PP contract prices were assessed steady. PPHP spot prices edged higher by €5 per metric tons, while PPCP spot prices gained by €10 per metric tons. Viewers, have you downloaded the Polymer Exchange app on your smartphone? Polymer Exchange is the world's first mobile phone application which makes buying and selling of polymers simple. To know more, visit our App Store or the Google Play Store and download this dynamic trading tool now. The application is available free for download, but not for long. Take advantage of this free offer today and change the way you buy and sell polymers. If you have enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymer Update and have found it to be useful for your business, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. It's Friday, 4th August. This is Shanchari Banerjee. Thank you.